Are you stuck in the 9 to 5 cycle and want to break free? Let's delve into the labyrinth of common mistakes that keep many aspiring entrepreneurs shackled to their desks. Recognizing these pitfalls is the first step towards liberation. Stay tuned as we unveil the 5 common mistakes you might be making. Mistake number 1, lack of clear goals. Imagine you're on a journey without a map. That's what working without clear, achievable goals feels like. It's like shooting arrows in the dark, hoping to hit a target. Without clear goals, you're like a ship without a compass. Mistake number 2, fear of taking risks. This fear can be like a chain, restricting your growth, limiting your opportunities. It's a battle against the unknown, but it's a battle worth fighting. After all, innovation blooms from daring leaps. Remember, no risk, no reward. Mistake number 3, inadequate planning. Imagine setting sail on a vast ocean without a compass. That's what starting a venture without a solid plan is like. It's not just about having goals, it's about mapping the journey to reach them. Fail to plan, plan to fail. Mistake number 4, lack of flexibility. As an entrepreneur, you must be willing to adapt and adjust your sails to the ever-changing winds of the business landscape. Rigidity can be your downfall. Remember, in the world of business, adapt or die. Mistake number 5, not seeking help when needed. Even the most successful entrepreneurs lean on mentors, experts, and peers. Collaboration and mentorship can be the difference between stagnation and growth. Remember, no man is an island. In summary, the 5 common mistakes are lack of clear goals, fear of taking risks, inadequate planning, lack of flexibility, and not seeking help. To overcome them, start by setting clear and achievable goals. Embrace risks as part of the journey, and plan diligently to navigate them. Flexibility is key. Be ready to adapt when circumstances change. And remember, it's okay to seek help. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll be one step closer to breaking free from the 9-5 cycle. Stay focused, stay adaptable, and keep learning. Subscribe to our channel today for the best in affiliate marketing ideas and tips. Comment below to get our free course that will save you a lot of time planning your 9 to 5 escape.